Hello, Embroidery Legacy family. If you're as excited about the upcoming holiday season as I am, you're going to love today's project. How cute is this adorable Christmas cookie mug rug? Whether you're looking for the perfect gift or want to add some festive holiday decor, this mug rug will bring some Christmas cheer to your table. Let's get started. So the materials you'll need are no-show mesh, rotary cutter, some fabric scissors, masking tape, a pair of curved scissors, a point turner, 2 pieces of 4x4 fabric for the cookies, 2 pieces of fabric for the border ends, which will be 1 1/4 by 5 inches, 2 pieces of fabric for the border, which will be for the top and the bottom, which will be 7 by 1 1/4 inches, fabric for the front, which will be 7 by 5 inches, fabric for the back, which you'll need 1 piece of 7 by 5 inches, and a piece that you'll be folding in half, which will be 9 by 5 inches. You'll also need some batting, which will be 7 by 5 inches. And for this project, you will need a 5 by 7 hoop. Step 1. Start by hooping your stabilizer. You're going to want to place your hoop in your machine and stitch out the placement line. Step 2. Lay the batting over the top and secure it with the tape. Step 3. Stitch the tack down line. Remove the hoop and carefully trim the excess batting close to the stitching line. Step 4. Lay the front fabric over the batting and secure it with tape. Return the hoop to your machine and stitch the tack down line and the lettering in the design. Step 5. Once the lettering is finished, stitch the placement line for the gingerbread man and the cookie. Step 6. Lay the cookie fabric over the placement line and secure it with tape. If you're using the SVG file, then carefully line it up with the placement line and fuse it in place. Step 7. Stitch the tack down line and remove the hoop from your machine and carefully trim the fabric close to the stitching line. Step 8. Stitch the details on the gingerbread man cookie. Repeat steps 6 to 8 for the second cookie. Step 9. Place the border ends the wrong side up, lining up the edges with the tack down line on the ends of the mug rug and secure them with tape. Step 10. Stitch the tack down line on each end. Once they are secured, remove your hoop and carefully fold over the borders on the tack down line and secure each end with a piece of tape. Step 11. Repeat steps 9 and 10 for the top and bottom fabric border. Step 12. Place the 5 by 7 folded in half fabric for your border back along the center of the mug rug so that it lines up perfectly and secure it with tape. Step 13. Place the 5 by 9 folded border back fabric over the top so that it overlaps and secure it with tape. Stitch the final tack down line going all the way around the mug rug. Step 14. Now carefully trim the excess fabric from around the mug rug. You're going to want to carefully turn it right side out. And you can use a point turner to help get all the little corners, and then you're going to want to press it flat. And ta-da! Your adorable Christmas cookie mug rug is all set to add some holiday cheer. I hope you have as much fun creating this as I did. And if you love this tutorial, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun holiday embroidery projects. Happy stitching, and we'll see you next time.